9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
I'm going to show you in this video how you can make $100 a day online just by texting people. This is a very simple method that you can do no matter what age you are. If you're 13 years old, great. No matter what country you're from, if you're from Zimbabwe or wherever that is, great. And you can do this for free. This isn't going to cost you any money. And if you come over with me right here to my computer screen, I'm going to show you how step by step to put this method into action. Because this is another free traffic method that works all over the world. And if you come over with me to my computer, I'm actually going to show you two methods so that you can actually make money texting people even if you don't have any people to text. That's going to be method number 2. But let's start out with method number 1. So what you're going to want to do, if you're from almost anywhere in the world, you're going to want to sign up with ClickBank. If you are from somewhere in sub-Saharan Africa or North Korea or like Bangladesh or something, you're going to want to use a different site. I'm not going to show it too much, but just pause the screen and go to digistore24.com or use the link in the description to sign up for this affiliate network. But bear with me, everybody else, we're going over ClickBank right here. And you're going to want to sign up, and all you do to sign up is circle right here this button, account creation. And we're going to create an account, and once you've created an account, you're going to go over to this link, which is the affiliate marketplace right there after you've signed up. Now within the affiliate marketplace, what you want to do, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. Now you're going to scroll down to the e-business and e-marketing category. Okay, we're going to be selling online educational products. Now, an interesting fact is that online education is one of the fastest growing, fastest spiking, exponentially increasing industries around. People all over the world are starting to doubt the efficacy of going to college, and who can blame them? You know, many of the professors are old, boring, they don't even do what they teach, and the costs are astronomical. Now, after you click this button, you're going to go down to the second top product right here, which is mine, which is John Crestani's auto webinar system. That's me. And what you'll do is you'll click this button that says promote. Now, if you make a sale, you'll make roughly $500, and you'll get paid that one of two ways. You'll get paid that either to your bank. If you have a bank account, the money will be sent directly to your bank every 2 weeks. Or if you have a home address, you will have that money sent via check to your home address every 2 weeks, okay? The checks come every single Wednesday. Now we click this button, promote, and you put your account nickname in there. If it isn't already in there, it should be. And you can ignore all these other links. All you're gonna click is this button, which says generate hop links. And you have your link right here. What you'll wanna do is you'll wanna copy this or click this button to copy it. Now, after you copy your link, what I do is I'll paste it into a notepad, and I'll just say ClickBank link just so I can easily reference it later on. The next step is we're going to go to a site called Bitly, okay? Bitly.com and BITLY, okay? And we're going to scroll down where it says shorten our link, and we're going to paste our link in here and click shorten. It will give us a new prettier looking link, and we will copy that. We can either copy it that way, or you can just click this button, and I'm going to go back to my notepad, and I'm going to say just bit.ly link, and I'm going to paste it right there, okay? Now the next step is we're going to want to replace our bit.ly link with some of the proven message examples that we are going to be texting to people. So we're going to take this link, and I'm going to copy it. And here are some proven text message examples for marketing this product. What you'll want to do is you'll want to highlight where it says link, and you'll want to paste it over there, okay? Copy where it says link, paste. Copy, paste. Copy, paste. Copy, paste, and copy, paste. Now, each of these messages is a proven text message that you can send to people that you know to get them to click on affiliate links and you can make money with. So what you'll want to do is you want to go right here And let's say you want to use this message. This blessing is all yours. Enjoy it and use it for whatever. And you'll copy it and you'll go on your phone. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? What'd you do with my phone? Oh, here it was. I was sitting on it. Now, just a side note, look who, I don't know if we have any Ninja fams, but look who I was just talking with just a second ago, Kevin David. Do we have any Kevin David Ninja fam in the house, guys? Hashtag Ninja fam on this video in the comments if you follow Kevin David. And also, if you're getting excited about this text message money, type in text money in the comments right now, because we're about to get to the point where it explodes. And if you are committed to making this happen and putting this into action and not just being one of those people who sits like this and watches from the sidelines, if you're committed to actually putting this into action and actually making money like tens of thousands of other students of mine have, type in text money in the comments below, because that is a commitment to both yourself and to me that you're going to put this into action. You're going to make some money. Let's get it. So you're going to bring out your phone and you're just going to copy this message and text it to as many people as you possibly can, okay? Message as many people as you possibly can with whatever message, and you can vary up some of the messages, but text this message to everybody you possibly can. You want to text this to at least 100 people, because at about 100 people is the point where you should expect to see a sale, which is $500. Now, the next step of this is you want to text everybody you know. And the reason why this works, let me explain to you a quick bit about marketing, is marketing is like putting a key in a lock, and you got to have the right combination to get it to turn. Now, there's three things you need. One is you need the right message, okay? You need the right message. And the second thing is you need the right offer, the product to promote. So if you don't get both of those exactly right, it won't work. Because if the message is not congruent with the product you're selling, then it's not going to work. So you need to get those both right, or else it won't unlock the money. Now, we talked about texting people you know. I'm going to go over the second method, which is texting people you don't know. But just a quick word of advice is this will cost money, okay? Texting people you don't know, getting those lists, you either have to advertise or you have to buy a list. And I'm going to show you a place where you can buy a list of people which you can text if you want to. Again, make sure you're always following all legal laws in texting people you don't know. So keep that in mind. Text people you know, do that, but texting people you don't know, there may be certain laws in certain countries about doing that. So I'm not a lawyer, but so just be aware of that. Now, the site you would go to find databases with people's cell phones that you can text is a site called US Biz Data, US Business Data. And you can see that right there, US Biz Data. And you can see you can buy databases of everybody in the US's cell phone number right there. And you click that, and you can buy the full United States database of all text message, which is over 100 million cell phones, for about $300. Or you could just focus on a particular state if that's the way you want to go, and you can buy each state for $47. But frankly, it makes more sense to buy $297 for the whole US. But who has $297 just to spend, right? Boom! Now, if you're doing this correctly, you should start seeing hops. Now, how this works is you will log into your ClickBank account, and you want to verify that you are receiving clicks. You want to check a couple hours after you send all of your text messages. And you're going to check under the reporting area right there. Okay, now once you're logged in your ClickBank account, and we're going to zoom in and see, it brings us under the analytics area, and you'll be able to see your thing will look something like this. So I did this method, and we see 266 clicks, or hops is what ClickBank calls them. Then you'll see, we scroll over and we see 139 order form impressions, okay? And then we scroll over and we see 10 sales. So these are generally good numbers, but hopefully you would expect at least, 1 or 2 sales, or even 3 if you sent that many hops. And what we see here is we made over $2,000, and we have $550 $191 of recurring revenue right there. So you can see the numbers. The math doesn't lie. There's a lot of money doing this, and this is really exciting. And the way ClickBank sends out its money is ClickBank sends out its checks every 2 weeks if you're new, every week if you've been working with them for a little bit. Woo! So I hope that was exciting. Make sure to type in text money if you are committed to making this happen, making some money from the internet using these sweet, juicy, free traffic methods. Now make sure if you want to go deeper into this, I'm releasing videos every single day on how you can make money online. It's pretty exciting. There's so many ways. It's unbelievable. But so make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications so you are notified of when new videos come out. Train your brain. And next is if you want to go really deep in affiliate marketing and learn how it is that I make tens of thousands of dollars a day, you can join my money club. I know that seems unreal, but you've seen around here, you see the money, and it's happening. It's happening for a lot of people around the world from obscure countries making money in their pajamas or in their loungewear, whatever it is. So hit the subscribe button, join the money club. If you're down $50 a month, you get access to 40 hours of free training and talk to me twice a month. I do live streams. And as always, remember, drop out of school, quit your job, take back control of your time on social media and all of these mediums. Don't be reactionary to your smartphone or to your TV or to your desktop. Make sure you don't let social media use you, but instead you can use text messaging or emailing or Facebook or YouTube. You can use these as tools to make you money, to give you your freedom. You can do this. But if you let the technology companies suck you in with all of their blings and boops and rings and notifications, you're not going to win. They are controlling your brain. Don't let that happen. Use it as a tool to make some money. And let's live free. Let's take back control. And if you're also committed to taking back control with me, type in take back control, because I want to know who is my take back control fam right here. We're starting a revolution. This is the best year ever. There's more job opportunities to work for yourself than ever before. So let's get it. Be free. Spend more time with your family, your friends, and in nature. I love you. I'll see you in the next video. See you soon.